So this is my video assignment with me, myself, Nidish, and Leo. And we are making a graph about sound waves. So as you can see, we did some research about the lowest pitch a human can hear, which is about 20 Hertz, and the highest pitch a human can hear, which is about 20,000 Hertz. So we made a graph demonstrating that, with the lowest being 20 and the maximum being 20,000. And we used the example of a guitar playing a string and to see how long it takes for a human to hear it, and the numbers at the bottom represent milliseconds. So to prove this is a periodic function, some characteristics that are present in this graph are periods. So as you can see, from one period to another period is about 1 millisecond, and this stays the same throughout the whole graph no matter where you're doing it. And as you can see, we calculated for the amplitude, which down here, the max minus min divided by 2, which after calculations equal 9,990. And to prove it, we found the center line, which is about 10,010. So if you go up 10,010 units, you will reach 20,000. And if you go down 10,010 units, if you go down 9,990 units, you will reach 20. So these are some characteristics to prove it is a periodic function. And one question we will be asking that seems reasonable is, will the sound take more or less time depending on the pitch and frequency of the sound? So if they played it at 20 Hertz, would it take longer for a human to hear it rather than them playing it at 20,000 Hertz? So that was one of our questions. And yeah, I will pass it on to Leo to finish the...
Now we're going to start to solve for the equation of our periodic function. So first of all, we're going to start off with the equation f of x plus c. So now let's solve for our transformations that are unknown right now. Our A, which is our amplitude, is already solved right here. It's 9,990. Our K value, that's whatever one period is. One period equals 0.5 to 1.5, which is 1 millisecond. So a period is a millisecond. So P equals 360 over K. And since a period is 1, a period is 1 equals 360 over K. Move the K over to the other side and divide by 1 on this side. So in all, K is going to equal 360. Since there's no phase shift, the D value is going to be 0. And the C value, which is the equation of the axes, is solved over here. That's 10,010. Now to set up our equation, it's going to be f of x equals A, which is 9,990. And now we need to know if it's a sine or a cos graph, and it is not a cos graph because it does not start at its max, so it is a sine graph. So sine and then the K value, which is 360, and then in brackets just x plus 10,010. So this is our final equation right here. My name is Leo, and my partner's name is Nidish, and thank you for watching our video.